A lack of focus is the death of all potential.
Turn it into mo. Turn it into mo. Stack, flip it. Turn it into mo. La. Go get that dough and we gon' turn it into mo. We up and store and we gon' turn it into mo. We make that cash flow and then we turn it into mo. No, we ain't running low cause we gon' turn it into mo.
What up, my turn it into mo found? It's your boy Southside Black. Turn it into mo. I want to come on here today and talk about focus. And I was reading this book, by Ash Cash. It's a book called what that book called? The Wake Up Call. Is something like the lessons learned from 444, the Jay-Z album. But he put it in a book format. Dude named Ash Cash, and I actually ordered 2 more of his books, Mind Right, Money Right, and another one about repairing your credit and building credit and stuff. But anyway, I was reading that book, and that was one of the quotes that I picked up from it. I thought it was powerful, and it kind of goes into it's kind of similar with law of attraction or whatever, because really, literally, what you focus on is what you attract. And I'm a living witness of that. Back in 2014, when I was, I had gotten to the wreck and stuff, and I was I couldn't work the 9-to-5 job that I had no more because of my physical condition. I had a pinched nerve and couldn't control my arm. It was in a sling for 3 months, swollen, hands swollen, and I had herniated disc, and I couldn't stand up for a certain amount of time and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I still could deal with that back pain today because I didn't want to get surgery. But anyway, I was focused. I was focused on my music, and I was trying to find ways to make money from home because I couldn't get no unemployment or none of that after working 11 months for Walmart. And I had to find a way. That's how I was forced into entrepreneurship. It's kind of a long story, but I was focused on that, and I was on my computer, and I ended up running across Tai Lopez, some kind of way, and that's when I found out about the 67 steps, went through that, found out about Rich Dad Poor Dad, and just took me on the journey that I'm on today. And if I wouldn't have been focused on that, then I would have ever ran across Tai Lopez, or I would have ran across him way later. But from when I watched him at first and took action and stuff to where I'm at now, I didn't learn so much to where, I feel like I had an advantage, because I would have ran across him now, it'll be that was about 6 years ago. So it'd be another 6 years before I get all that, you know what I'm saying? Because you can't just take in too much information at once. You gotta let it soak and really understand it, you know what I'm saying? So I just feel like when you focus on something that attract, you know what I'm saying, that's what you're gonna attract. You're gonna attract the right people, the right stuff, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna attract you on the right path, you know what I'm saying? The universe gonna put you in that path, you know what I'm saying? So I just thought that that quote was very powerful, and I wanted to share it with my Turning Into Mo family, you know what I'm saying? And like I say, with the Tai Lopez thing, before then, I only knew as far as making money from a 9-to-5 job, being a rapper, or, just whatever you do, just making money. But I didn't think outside of that, besides making money and saving it and just investing it in yourself, as far as books or equipment and stuff like that. I didn't think as far as real estate and stocks and all of that yet, you know what I'm saying? I hadn't got that far yet. So now I'm to that point to where I understand so much about investing in general and money in general, and I'm still learning. I still learn. I still read. Literally, I could show y'all let me show y'all, man. Literally, I could show y'all the books. They got books behind you. You know, that's, you know what I'm saying, that's just something. You know, and I got books. I got books right here. You know, that's just something. And I got ebooks and some audio books. I try not to, trying to slow up on reading and you know, take even more action and be more focused. You know what I'm saying? But I still find myself reading. I don't sit down and read for hours a day. I just read, you know, until I pretty much till I find something, you know, powerful, a little golden nugget. And even if I don't, oh well, maybe I'll find something next, you know, next time I read, the next day. You know what I'm saying? And I read stuff that I want to learn about. Not no fiction type of urban fiction or none of that. I read stuff that's going to actually bring value to my life and, you know, have the potential to change my life and my situation. So, you know, like I say, you know, I feel like that quote was very powerful. You know what I'm saying? And I wanted to share with my Turn It Into Mo family. You know what I'm saying? You know, a lack of focus is the death of all potential. You know what I'm saying? We got to be focused. And speaking of that, you know, I've really been focused on getting my music back out there and stuff, like really starting to put back music back out, and this real estate stuff. So sometime I may miss a week, you know, but I've really been trying to stay consistent with, you know, at least one a week, and I'm aiming and pushing for 2 a week. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I'm working on getting me a even better setup to where I got a whole room dedicated to making videos and stuff like that. But you know, that's coming. You know what I'm saying? It's coming. I already see it. But you know, anyway, like I said, I've just been focused on that too. You know, as far as the real estate, the music, and I have this YouTube channel, and I have another one. You know, my music channel. You know what I'm saying? And it's not just my music on that channel. You know, other artists be on there too. And we about to start doing interviews and stuff with that channel too. And short films and stuff. So, you know, I said that to say, you know, like I say, if I miss a week, you know, just know I'm focused. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about. And, you know, enough about me. I just wanted to give y'all that example. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, y'all, I'm Turn It Into Mo family. I share as much value as I can with y'all. And, you know, like I say, it's about focus this week. You know what I'm saying? Like, be focused. When you focus on the right things, you're going to attract the right things. You know what I'm saying? If you playing video games and this and that, you're not going to attract whatever it is you're trying to accomplish. You're not going to attract, let's just say, you trying to find out how to do something, or you know, anything. You trying to start a business or something. If you focus on starting that business and you doing research and stuff, you might run across the right article or the right video that sets you on that path to doing it. Or you might run across the right person, you know what I'm saying, and y'all, you know what I'm saying, they point you in the right direction or anything. But if you playing video games and watching Netflix all day, you're not gonna really get too much value out of that. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna really attract anything, you know what I'm saying? In my experience and in my opinion. Not saying don't watch none of that stuff, but be focused, you know what I'm saying, if you want to accomplish stuff in life. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to make this video too long, though. You hear me? This your boy Southside Black. Turn It Into Mo. And look, I got right now currently, you know what I'm saying, I have about 40 subscribers on this channel. You know what I'm saying? You know, we finna get that to 100 real quick, for one. But for two, y'all start like leaving comments and stuff and engaging, you know what I'm saying? It helped, for one, it helped me, you know what I'm saying, because I want to communicate with my Turn It Into Mo family, but it also pushed my videos and helped this channel too, you know what I'm saying, to get this channel, you know, out there more, you know what I'm saying, to reach more people. So comment under the videos and interact, you know what I'm saying. Let me know what y'all think about the topics in the videos, and I want y'all to let me know, like, what kind of topics, as far as like within personal development and finance, what kind of topics y'all like me to talk about the most. You know what I'm saying? Like, leave, you know, kind of topics, suggest topics and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, leave some comments and definitely like the video and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But if you're not subscribed, go ahead, do that. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, let's keep it going. Let's turn it into more, you hear me? It's your boy Southside Black, man. Hey, don't forget to turn it into more.
We up and going, we gon' turn it into more. We make the cash flow and then we turn it into more. Nowhere running low, cause we gon' turn it into more. Yeah, all I know is stack it, flip it. I told them I ain't got it, now they hacking. Different.